Good day, tube slingers. This is just a bit of a quick fun NoobsLab video to show you guys how to install Spotify on your Ubuntu desktop there. Now, I've just loaded this one up. I did do a video on this a couple of years ago and it was actually a much harder process. Wouldn't exactly be classified as a NoobsLab video, but these days very much so. But here it is in a nutshell. But let's go across to the terminal where, as you know, I do like to install a few things. So starting off, open up that terminal there, Control-Alt-T. Then all you need to do is type in the following. So it is snap install Spotify. And there we go. Hit enter, throw in your password, install away. It does take a little bit. Now this is actually running through the new Snap app system, the package management scenario there. So like I say, a lot easier than it used to be. But it is there, it's available, and why not give it a go. It is free for the most part. As I understand, there are some subscription models or ad-based models here, as we can see, where we've got some dermatological something or other. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, thanks again. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Ciao.